It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, I am Angela Lanter and today we are decorating this tree back here with all Dollar Tree stuff. That's it, just Dollar Tree. I recently decided that I'm gonna challenge myself to do an entire tree with dollar store products only, and we're gonna do it, and you're gonna do it with me, and I have never done this before. This is totally new, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you're new here, my name is Angela Lanter. I just recently moved to Nashville with my husband and my toddler, and we are going to be hosting the holidays this year with my husband's family, and so I'm trying to bring a little bit of Christmas into each room of the house. So right now we're in our guest room. This is probably where my mother-in-law is gonna stay, and I thought this is the perfect place to have just a quaint little tree, make it super cozy in here. I bought some new sheets to make the bedding perfectly Christmassy. So let's see what we come up with and hope that it turns out great. Okay, so one of the main things that I was on the hunt for today was fake snow. I'm looking for it here in the bags. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I had a vision in my mind of filling a tree with fake snow in various places, and the only kind I could find at the Dollar Tree was the kind that's got the glitter in it. So I don't know, maybe this is gonna work, maybe it's not gonna work. It might be a total fail or it might be amazing. Fingers crossed, but you get a bag for $1. So I did 5 bags. Not at all what I thought it was gonna be. This is not fake snow at all. This is just like a blanket. Yeah, not gonna happen with that idea, so scratch that. I think maybe I could, So what I'm doing is I'm stretching it out to see if we get any effective snow at all. I'm not feeling good about this. It's feeling more like spider webs than it is snow. It says glittered drape. Oh, that was the user fail. Okay, I tried. Moving on. One of my favorite things to do that I found was actually stems. Stems are super expensive for decorating. Now these are not gonna be like your high quality, what you get at Michael's or Joann's or whatever that are like $10 a pop. These are $1 and they're kind of puny, but that's okay because all we wanna do is use it for filler on the tree. If you wanna do a budget-friendly tree, filler makes the biggest difference and it makes your trees look so gorgeous. So I bought it in the gold and rose gold. The rose gold is actually really beautiful berries. We also bought some of the silver and then I bought some gold too. We're doing a very metallic-y, neutral tree, but this is gonna be so beautiful. Look at the gold. So I'm going to mix these and do the topper with the twigs, I guess they're twigs, and then we're gonna put the berries throughout the tree. So I'm gonna start with that, and then we'll move on to actual ornaments. The thing that you always wanna remember when decorating is decorate in odd numbers. When you do odd numbers, it just always is more visually pleasing. It's actually really pretty. All I'm doing is taking my stem and then snipping it. You really need wire cutters. And then popping them in various places. Did you see that? We're not working with the upper echelon here of decor people. We're working with dollar store stuff, so. Okay, so I got the glitter berries in, and honestly, they look amazing. Like, the fact that I paid $1 for those, and I think maybe, how many stems? 7 stems, like $7. And already it's coming together and looking so beautiful. So what I'm gonna do next is go in with the branches that I have in the silver and the rose gold, and we're gonna pop them throughout and just give it a little bit more fullness. This is great if you have a cheaper tree that really is lacking fullness. Also make sure that you fluff your tree as much as possible before you start decorating. But this will really help give it, make it fuller and make it feel like it has some texture and just really make it interesting. Matt and I were just saying like how beautiful this tree is already looking. It's unbelievable. Like maybe $15 in decor. It's unreal. Okay, if you don't go to Dollar Tree for anything else, go for your hooks. Hooks are so ridiculously cheap and you can get a whole thing of them for $1. I always go with the green. And here is a major hack for Christmas trees. Never hang an ornament by a thread. The reason why is that it's always going to be so difficult, especially if your tree is flocked. Always just use one of these. And I'm telling you, they're so much easier to just place and make it look nice than the stupid threads that you have to push and then pull, and yeah, don't do that. Get yourself $1 pack of hooks and you get, how many? 200. First up we have ornaments. Okay, these are all, again, Dollar Tree. They're very cheap and flimsy, but that's all you need. So see how they have the thing hanging there? I'm not gonna use that, I'm actually gonna use a hook. And I'll probably just take my scissors and snip off that thread and get rid of it because we don't need the thread. Just hook it and then place it. And do you see what I mean? That I can actually manipulate where it's at so much easier with a hook. Whereas if let me show you the difference. Okay, now if I take the thread First of all, I'm gonna have to sit here and figure out how to get the thread open, which is tedious. Okay, so I got the thread open. That is as much as that's like an inch right there. So I've got an inch to work with to put this on. So you have to like push it on and it just broke off. I can't make this stuff up. I'm telling you, don't mess with these stupid threads. Just put it on a hook and call it a day. Sweater had to come off, I was too hot. Okay, $1, y'all. Isn't that cute? It's just a little prancy, dancy reindeer and it's so cute. Okay, let's see what else I got for $1. The church. Isn't that sweet? And these trees with the pearls, I just think that they're so darling. Oh, whoa, whoa, I found more. Yay, I got more. Okay, this is gonna make it look so good. Okay, I'm gonna pop these on really quick and just add to the girthiness of the tree. Matt loves when I say that word. Isn't it gonna be beautiful? Another thing I got were these clip-on poinsettias and they're so sweet. And $1 for 3 of them, so 33 cents each. And they just literally clip on the edge. Like, aren't those pretty? They're really, really pretty. And then I found more Prancy Dancies and these. They were $1 each, cookie tins. You guys know I make fudge every single Christmas holiday. So we're starting with the poinsettias. I'm just attaching them and I only have 6 of them. So I'm gonna pop them randomly all over the tree. And then we're gonna actually go to the bulbs. Are they Christmas balls or bulbs? That's a great debate. Comment below with what you call it. I call them bulbs, but I think they're actually balls. Anyways, I'll show those to you guys in a second because you will not believe the deal I got on those. And then last, we're gonna do the fun ornaments. So these I found, it was 2 for $1 and they remind me of super obnoxious, like ugly sweater earrings, but I had to have them because they remind me of a vintage Merry Christmas ornament and I just thought they were so fun. I went a little crazy with the Christmas bulbs. Okay, what did they say? They don't say balls or bulbs, I don't know. Anyways, you get 15 for $1 and they're shatterproof. So mamas, don't spend tons of money on crazy Christmas ornaments when you got toddlers and they're just gonna knock them over and break them and everything. Go to the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. These are amazing. The big ones are 12 for $1 and the little ones are 15 for $1. I'm gonna hook them up and put them on. I know I got a lot here. I got 7 tubes of them, but I'm okay with that because I love when trees are like just really decked out and loaded. I feel like they look beautiful. So this is gonna be amazing. I took off the strings and just added a little hook. And so now we're going to add the bigger ornaments and they're gonna be so cute. Yes! Y'all, is this tree not just coming together beautifully? I'm very impressed with how it's coming together. It's just so pretty.
Mommy, where's that surprise?
We don't have a surprise for you, baby. I'm sorry. I think it turned out so pretty. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? Okay, a couple things that I bought that I wasn't sure if I would use is there's a foam scatter. So Matt said I should put it around the base of the tree, but I don't know. I kind of just like the simplicity of just the crocheted skirt. I picked that up at Hobby Lobby as well. Another thing that I got for $1 is a mug that says don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Isn't that cute? I also stocked up on, got a lot of ornament hangers. I got sixlets for me. I love sixlets. It's like my favorite childhood candy. I don't know what it is about them, but I feel like the chocolate is so much better in sixlets than they are in M&Ms. I don't know. That's not blasphemy. Have you had a sixlet in years?
You can't even say it.
Have you had a sixlet in years? Try it. Another thing I got, Scotch tape. 2 for $1. Target or Walmart, it's so much more expensive than this. So go to Dollar Tree for your shopping needs, like not your shopping needs, but your wrapping needs. I got wrapping paper, I got Mickey, I got Elf, Will Ferrell Elf, I got Snoopy, they had Star Wars, they had all kinds of awesome Christmas wrapping paper. So definitely stock up on your wrapping paper there. And it's all Hallmark brand too, which is amazing. Matt's behind the camera, taste testing sixlets, and he says that M&Ms are better.
Way better.
Crushing my childhood right here. Crushing it. Anyways, picked up some sheets, not Dollar Tree, but I found them at Marshall's and I'm super, super stoked because they're flannel, but here's the thing, they have neutral colors in them, which neutral bed anything at Christmas is kind of hard to come by unless you buy places like Pottery Barn. And I'm not above Pottery Barn. I love Pottery Barn. I buy their stuff all the time. But when it comes to bedding that's just for a guest bed that's not gonna be used for very long at all, I don't wanna spend a ton of money. So I got the entire set at Marshall's for $29.99. So If you guys have guests coming in for Christmas, totally consider running out and looking for some great sheets just to add like that coziness, and then the flannel just really adds coziness too. Let me know if you guys want to see a video from me on tips to add cozy to your home for the holidays, because I have so many ideas and tips on just bringing Christmas into your home for the holiday season and just making it feel like a Christmas hotel almost. Like it just feels themed but not tacky and just really classy. So if you want to see that from me, let me know below, because I have so many ideas that I want to share with you guys. Also, anything that you want to know about what I've posted or talked about today, I'm going to link below, but everything's from Dollar Tree. So I don't think I can link any of that. Same with Hobby Lobby. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check back because I will be doing all sorts of fun stuff for the holidays coming up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I love y'all so much. Au revoir. Got another Target haul coming at you hot. I apparently live my life at Target. I found these in the dollar spot, and I just thought that they were so cute. They're little stringy looking stars, and they're glittery, but it's actually string lights, and there's 6